Here I have Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus, and let me show you how to flash this device. So at the very beginning you need to find the appropriate firmware to your device. So I recommend you to use the following website, Untitled.Info, and here in the download firmware you've got the following website, and here you can enter the device name or a code to find your firmware. So in my case, let me enter the Galaxy A6 Plus. Alright, choose search. Let's wait a few seconds. And as you may notice, the device is looking for your firmware. Here you've got the Galaxy A6 Plus. Let's choose your model. Then you need to choose your code name. So in my case, it's the following one. Here you need to choose your country and carrier. So in my case, let me select Poland, and let me select without the carrier, and let me just tap open, or for example tap on the country just to open the following firmware and choose download. So the website is downloading the appropriate application, and afterwards let's unpack the app. Here I have the app, and then let's open this application right here. As you can see, choose yes. And the Samsung card downloader is opening. As you can see, if you download the app from the following link from your model, you will have the Samsung card downloader with the appropriate model, region, and all stuff that you need. So then all you need to do is just tap download, choose the location to download, tap save, and in my case let me tap yes, and just wait until the downloading will be completed. So I just download the firmware previously, then let's unpack the firmware and open the firmware that you download. So here I have my firmware with all files. So now you can flash your device. So in order to flash your device, let's open the Odin. You can also download Odin from the link from the description. Let's unpack and open Odin right here. Here I have Odin application. Alright, then you need to put your device into a download mode. So let's press power key, choose power off, and press power off again. Afterwards, let's prepare micro USB cable connected to your PC and start holding the following keys: volume down and volume up. So let's keep holding those keys and connect your device by using the micro USB cable. Alright, the warning pops up. Let's press volume up to continue, and your phone is in a download mode. You may also observe on your Odin app that the phone is connected. So now let's choose the appropriate files from your firmware. Choose BL file right here. As you can see, here I have my folder. Choose BL, choose AP. The AP file is the largest. Alright, the AP is loaded, so now let's choose the CP file right here. Select CP and CSC. So here you can choose CSC to accomplish the flashing with the hard reset. So the CSC file will erase all personal data, or you can choose home CSC and just update your device and keep your personal stuff. So let me choose home CSC in my case. Make sure that you've got in options selected auto reboot and factory reset time, and then let's choose start. The device is flashing itself. As you can see, the flash is done, the device is restarting, so let me disconnect my device. Let's wait a few seconds. Excellent, as you can see, everything is done, the flash operation is completed, the home screen pops up. So that's it, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.